Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. You are on Windows 10 or 11 and signed in with an administrator account. Once those are set, open the Microsoft Store and install or update the PC Health Check app. This ensures the latest compatibility checks. Make sure to close background applications to avoid slowdowns while the tool runs. Now click to launch the app, and you'll be ready to begin the health scan and access the key diagnostic sections. Next, run the full health scan from the app's main screen so you capture storage, battery, startup impact, and Windows update issues. As the scan progresses, watch the progress indicators and let it complete without interrupting. This prevents partial results. You'll see each section expand with details. Tap them to view recommendations and performance metrics. If an area is flagged, jot down the suggestion and the exact message so you can follow the specific. Finally, apply the app's recommended fixes, such as running Windows Update, uninstalling problematic apps, or clearing disk space. Each suggestion explains why it matters. Restart the computer to ensure updates and configuration changes take effect, then rerun the health check to confirm improvements. If problems persist, record any error codes and try restarting into safe mode to isolate conflicts. This often reveals driver or startup issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if scans fail, reinstall PC Health Check and retest to rule out a corrupted app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.